Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. How are you everybody? Are you okay? I hope everybody will be fine. Guys, today in this short and important video lecture, I will discuss general knowledge about steel structure design. And these notes should be shown in the RCC drawing, which can help if someone is working as a site engineer on construction site, or as a site engineer, or for those students which are working on construction site to get experience. So these notes should be shown in RCC steel structure drawing. So let's start guys, and you should remember if you are studying in civil engineering, right? So guys, as you know, the topic is general notes or general knowledge about steel structure design. So the first one is about main bars and distribution bars. As you know, we have two types of rebars in RCC slab. One is main bar, the second one is distribution bars. So all the positive bottom reinforcement means all the main bars in RCC slab. As you know, main bars placed at the bottom in RCC slab. So all the positive bottom reinforcement bars is shown as solid lines in the drawing. So means main bars in RCC drawing should be shown as a solid lines, not as a dash or dotted lines or hidden lines, but it should be shown as solid line. So it is useful for as a site engineer, also for if you are working on a construction site. So you should remember that main bars should be shown as a solid lines. The second one is about distribution bars. It is also called negative top reinforcement. So all the negative top reinforcement, as you know, distribution bars are placed in RCC slab at the top. So the top reinforcement bars is shown as dash or broken lines in the drawing. So reinforcement, the distribution bars should be shown as broken or dash lines. Okay, so this is very useful. These are 2 points. The third one is lap length for M20 grade concrete. What should be the lapping length for M20 grade concrete? As you know, the ratio of M20 grade concrete is 1:1.5:3. So here lap length is specially for slab, column and beam. So guys, this is from my personal experience and from many research I got it, that the slab lapping length for M20 grade concrete should be with 60D. 60 as a constant and D as a die of steel bar if that is main bar or if that is distribution bars. Okay, so D is die of steel bar. So the slab lap should be with 60D, which is intention. Okay, so it should not be maximum 60D. Okay, so it's depend on the steel structure design, because it's also depend on the structure load. Okay, but 60D is sufficient. The second one is column. What should be the lapping length for the column for M20 grade concrete? So that should be 45D, or it is depend on your drawing or your structure drawing. Okay, but you should show an RCC drawing that the slab is 60D, the column for the column 45D, where D is die of steel bar and column is compression member. Okay, so that is 45D. Again we have the other one, that is beam. So the beam is tension member, so it is also 60D. So slab and beam, for that the formula of lapping length should be 60D, and for the column 45D is sufficient. Okay guys, the fourth point is concrete used shall have minimum 28 days cylinder crushing strength of 3000 psi per square inch. So as you know, we can get the 3000 psi, the concrete mix should be M20 grade. Okay, so when you want to get M20 grade concrete full strength, so the concrete used shall have a minimum 28 days cylinder crushing strength of 3000 psi, right? This is the other useful point, and you should write in RCC drawing. Okay guys, the fifth one is 8 bags cement is required. If someone asks from you that how many bags of cement is required for 1 cubic meter concrete in M20, okay, M20 1:1.5:3. So for M20 grade concrete, for 1 cubic meter we required in M20 we required 8 numbers of bags, and each bag weight should be 50 kg, right? Guys, the last one is very useful. This is the sixth point. Lap length shall not be used for the bar larger than 36 millimeter. As I told you in many videos, that the lapping length should not be allowed if the die of steel is more than 36 millimeter. So what we should do? Okay, so for larger diameter, it means more than 36 millimeter bar diameter may be welded. If it is not possible to weld it, okay, if it is not able to weld the steel bar for overlapping, okay, so what should we do? Okay, so then additional the spirals should be provided around the lapped bar, okay, spiraled, as you can see in the picture. So we need additional the spirals should be provided around the lapped length where we require, okay, but more than 36 mm die of steel bar lapping is not allowed. So guys, these are some useful points and useful notes which can help you on construction site, and also if you are a steel structural design, so you should remember these points. So guys, if you have any question about this video, so you can comments, I will try to reply your answer. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.